My dog keeps eating cat poop. I just had to go and buy one of those self-cleaning cat litters so that there's never any cat poop in the litter box for him to get. And I'm pretty sure my old dog, who's long since deceased, also did it. It must be a dog thing in general. But that MFer has the nerve to want to give me kisses on my face afterwards. You just ate stuff that dropped out the cat's ass. Like, fuck no, bitch. Okay, that foundation is freaking perfect. It's the Merit Complexion Stick. I didn't even come on here to tell you about it, but it looks so good. I just set up the new litter box. And the cool box, it weighs my cat. It tells me how often my cat's going to the bathroom, as if I actually care about that. But the best part is going to be that my dog is going to keep showing up to that litter box and it's going to keep being empty. Dumb motherfucker.